Drop top time here, unique specialty in classics. Here's a cool cruiser, 1960 Pontiac Bonneville convertible. Error correct, 389 underneath the hood, as well as power steering, power brakes. It's paired up with an automatic transmission. Let's take a look at this front grille, bumper, headlights, surrounds. Look at that chrome and bright work. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that's included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, the paint shows well. Take a look at all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on the 8-lug wheels, wide white wall radials. Has had a repainted. You can see up and down the length of this car. It's nice and straight. It's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Take a look at the bright work. Of course, fender skirts. That kind of matching tricolor interior. Vinyl seats. Seat belts up front. Very stock looking dash with the Pontiac tissue dispenser. Matching parade boot or convertible top cover. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Look at all the chrome and bright work on the rear of this car. Just beautiful body lines. It does have a power top, black vinyl power top. We'll put that up at the end of the video so you can check that out. We're also going to start it up, let you hear it run. But first, let's take a look down this driver's side from the rear to the front. You can see how nice and straight those panels are again. Not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. I've not noticed any rips or tears, holes, anything in the vinyl. This interior also nice shape. Of course, buckets up front. You'll be able to see the VIN tag in the still pictures. You'll also be able to see the data tag that's underneath the hood. Let's go ahead and fire this up. All right, as you can see, that was a cold start. Fuel gauge working. Generator gauge. I did not have the clock working and I did not get the radio to power up, just so you're aware of that. Good sounding car. Thought this was cool. You can see it behind the key tag here. Factory equipped Magic Cruise. And then again, a Pontiac tissue dispenser. Kind of cool here. This would be for your remote mirror. Down here. Quite a car in 1960 and still just a beauty. Slip around to the back seat here. This run will take a peek underneath the hood. Look how nice that door closed. We'll run up the top, and then remember at the end of the video, do a little driving video with it. You can see what it's like to go down the road, take a virtual ride, if you will. This one will turn some heads, local roll-ins, local cruise-ins, shows. We'll see one of these every day. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get this hood open. We'll check out that engine bay, and then we'll get the top up. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Error correct, 389, power steering, power brakes. You see a battery disconnect for when you're not driving it, or some storage. Nice, clean, tidy, stock looking engine bay too. Don't forget to be able to see the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll see the underside, trunk, every angle of the car, top up, top down. Speaking of top up, I'm going to pause this one more time. We'll get that parade boot off, close up the hood and what have you. And let's check out that convertible top. Power top, black vinyl. And here it is with the top up. Power top functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Looks like a newer black vinyl top. Also rolled up the side glass. You can see how that fits. I do want to mention, I don't know if you notice in the pictures or not, there is a small crack right here. That is being replaced. The side glass is ordered for this, will be replaced. We just wanted to get it online and listed. So we did it while it was on order. So just giving you the heads up on that. Clear back window. Again, free of rips, tears, holes. Gonna serve its purpose just fine. Maybe need to keep you out of the sun or out of a brief shower. Not a problem. And tight fit above the windshield over here. So, convertible top, good shape. And remember, that side glass that is being replaced. We just want to get this car listed. 1960 Pontiac Bonneville convertible. It's a beauty. UniqueClassicCars.com. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1960 Pontiac Bonneville. Big, beautiful car in a nice, kind of a copper burgundy. That's my description. It's a great color. Inside and out. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. This is a convertible. We do have the top down. A lovely exhaust note from this car. Nice low rumble. Our fuel gauge is working, showing about a quarter of a tank. Generator is charging over halfway on the gauge. For oil and temperature, we do have warning lights instead of gauges. Speedometer working great. We're doing 55 miles an hour. The radio does pick up some stations in this car. Just remember to put the antenna up, that power antenna. Windshield wipers also work. Blower motor also does work. Beautiful car. Very nice condition interior. If you let go of the steering wheel, this car stays pretty straight, if not a little to the right. It is breezy out today. Brakes are working well. Excellent power steering in this car. It's very easy to drive. Comfortable. This car actually having bucket seats, which you don't see as often in a full-size car. Very nice option. Very smooth riding car. Another one of those great classic road tripping cars. Good for a long drive down a highway. You can see all the pictures of this car and read more details at UniqueClassicCars.com.